Adding a "Be Right Back" screen keeps your stream looking professional and lets your audience know you'll return shortly. Let's walk through how to set it up in StreamLabs. First, open StreamLabs and click the plus icon to create a new scene. Name it "Be Right Back" so it's easy to recognize later. Once your new scene is ready, it's time to add a source. Click Add Source, and depending on what you have, choose one of the following. If it's an image, select Image. If it's a video or animated file like MP4 or GIF, choose Media Source. Name your source something like BRB Screen and click Add Source again. Then browse and upload your file. Make sure to enable looping so the video or animation plays continuously while you're away. This prevents it from stopping or turning black once it finishes. If your media has sound and you don't need it, you can mute the audio directly in the mixer. To make your BRB screen more interactive, you can also add a chat box. Just click Add Source, select Chat Box, and position it where you want, usually to one side, so viewers can keep chatting while you're gone. Once you're happy with how it looks, you're all set. Just switch to this scene whenever you need to step away from your stream. And there you go. That's how to add a Be Right Back screen in StreamLabs.